Well, certainly another beautiful day to be outdoors. Yes, a lot cooler. Here's some fun with the camera as Jim Carpenter captured not only his weather vane, but a hot air balloon going up this evening. So a nice shot there. Let's venture outside currently and see what's happening. Sun setting here within the next half hour. There is the view from Carter Mountain as we look off to the west. It's been a gorgeous day. Lots of blue sky, and it'll be another chilly overnight. Let's take a look at our numbers, and we're currently 65 at the airport. Only touched 69 today. Again, our average daytime high is in the mid-70s, so we're roughly running 5 degrees cooler in terms of daytime highs. Last night, we had overnight lows down in the low and mid-40s. Again, the air mass very dry with those dew point numbers in the low and mid-40s. 63, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, only touching 65 today after a morning low of 42. So temperatures tonight back in the low and mid-40s. Yes, there could still be some upper 30s, especially north and west in sheltered locations. Still looks like our coldest morning will be Thursday night into Friday morning. That'll have the potential at least for some areas of frost. Now, temperatures for your Wednesday, a little milder, actually seasonable, low and mid-70s. We're out ahead of a weak cold front that'll come through late tomorrow night and early Thursday, and then that'll knock the temperatures back down into the 60s here for Thursday and Friday. So there's your cold morning, early Friday morning that has the frost potential, but dry conditions as a large area of high pressure basically dominates the Ohio Valley, the Mid-Atlantic, the Northeast, and much of the Southeast. All the attention, of course, is in the Gulf of Mexico with very powerful Hurricane Milton, a Category 5. It's gone through fluctuation since last night with an eye replacement cycle, which is common for big hurricanes. And look at that eye wall. I mean, it's quite impressive. NOAA aircraft's been flying in and out, recording very low pressure. Last night, it had the 5th lowest pressure ever in the Atlantic Basin for any hurricane. And of course, its wind and it's going to expand as it gets closer toward the coast. It'll actually pick up a little bit more speed upon its approach later tomorrow. So here's a look at the official track from the National Hurricane Center, and much of the model guidance still brings it into the middle portion or the central portion of the west coast of Florida. So there's your Sarasota, Tampa Bay, St. Petersburg area of the coast of Florida. So here we are with 165-mile-per-hour winds moving off to the east-northeast, which will accelerate as it gets closer to the Florida Peninsula in roughly 36 hours. But the conditions will deteriorate quickly later tomorrow, and Floridians are rushing to complete preparations for this hurricane. Even outside that cone, there's going to be major flooding, destructive winds, and of course storm surge into Tampa Bay could be as much as 10 to 15 feet. That is life-threatening danger. And of course, it moves across the Florida Peninsula as a hurricane and then exits offshore later on Friday. So flooding a big issue, especially across the central portion of Florida, Tampa, Orlando, and the like. We've got quiet weather, chills in the morning in the 40s, afternoon highs in the pleasant 70s. I mentioned that front that comes through. That'll chill us down again here for Thursday with daytime highs holding in the 60s. Widespread 40s tonight, chill in the air. We've certainly got the feel of autumn since it is the season. Dry forecast here the next several days. A little milder here for the weekend, and then we'll chill right back down next week. Could be even cooler than this week.
All right, Eric, thank you.